Bro, I had the idea yesterday that I wanted to make 2048, you know?
2000 what? 48? Ah, yeah, 2048? What? Wait, what? I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah. Do you know like or like a variation of it? Like you drop numbers like two, and then like they fall onto each other, and if they like are two, they merge into a four.
Oh,
And you
yeah,
know,
yeah, 248. Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah.
yeah, like but not with Vulkan, like in Wayland.
Hmm?
And I had it going so good. And then I realized that like my game mechanic was like a little bit wrong, and I like wanted to rewrite it a little bit.
Yeah.
Then a lot broke. Yeah, but right now I streamed. You can see the crazy state of the game. It doesn't work at the moment, so yeah, it worked before. Like it runs, but not cool.
Alright. Let's see, where are you at there?
By the way, my stream is lagging. It's not like that the motion of the blocks are like this laggy, it's just
Okay.
because like of my stream. Like normally they're
Okay.
yeah, but look at this shadow, bro. The shadow is insane.
That's a crazy shadow.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but this is still from the old UI. I will like change it. And like the background is also shit for the moment. I just tested it out with a random picture. Like yeah. But they aren't spawning at the moment because before that, you know, I had it that you need to click basically, and it spawns then on the top where you click. But I realized you shouldn't be able to spawn in things when clicking. It should spawn them automatically so that you can actually die, and not like take a coffee and wait 10 minutes before you make your next block, you know.
Yeah.
And because of that, they're like not spawning at the moment. I will fix that now. Hmm.
This is C, yeah.
Yeah. But this is the old code, and I'm just rewriting it for the moment. So that it's like because this was like so unclean, it was insane. Yeah,
I'm
but right
just
now,
quickly gonna get a plugin for Obsidian.
Obsidian, yo,
Yeah.
we will get some plugins. But right now, maybe I'm just like because I've been doing like this in one go without a pause. Um, maybe I'm just like going crazy. But what I need to do, I have this spool, and if it's false, or like if it's true, it doesn't matter. Like a block will spawn, and it should only be, you know, if it spawns the block, this block should be. Wait. Maybe I have it. I'm not sure. Wait. Mhm. Okay, I gotta go though again because
Oh.
yeah, Fred and I will go to the university in a few minutes. Yeah.
Okay, okay. What you
So good
doing is...
luck with your life.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
Oh,
thank you.
I'm doing push.
Push. Yeah, I should also do push, but I'm probably gonna do it on Sunday.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, see ya.
Yeah, see ya.
Alright, so yes, now we have added AI. It's fantastic. Alright, so yes, now we have added. Hello, Code. Oh, yeah. Hello, Code Fox. was not what I intended to do. The fuck? It's whatever. It's whatever. How I can push in VS Code? I have no idea. I don't push in VS Code. Alright, I don't know, I can't seem to get this to work, so I'm just not gonna do it, and instead we'll just go live. Let's see. Damon is not here and Harold is AFK. Sag, big Sag. But we'll go on. I don't know where Damon is, but that's okay. He has done a lot of work apparently. So let's see. AI. Git branch. I can just reverse the changes if it doesn't work. Submit. Sig has been installed. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Check out master. Yeah, CS is for C#. It's taking so long to start the... What? Bruh. 3D projects... No, no, no. Come on. Let's see, StreamerFighter. Slash... Don't know. But the H is just a header file, usually used for C or C++, or I don't think any other language uses .h, I'm not sure. Where you see C++? Oh. Yo, what? He added weapons and shit. Yo, what the hell? He has been cooking. What is that thing? He has added so many new things that I don't even know what is what. Oh! Yo! What have he added? What the fuck? I need to ask him what the fuck. Jesus! Yo! That's absolutely crazy. Holy moly. Guy was there. I will do a little bit. I don't know what he has done, but damn. This is awesome. Okay, let's see. I wasn't expecting that much actually. Holy shit. Let's see, scripts. He's probably not using these scripts anymore. Not sure though. Player, weapon. Okay, well, let's just open one of these and check them out, right? Let's see, what has he gone about? He has... I'm not sure it connects yet to the Twitch API, but... Projects, scripts... What's the Twitch chatter? Game manager. Cannot resolve for game manager. Right, it should be game manager there, but besides that... Is game manager even being used anywhere? Ah, it is. Doesn't find it. Let's see, game objectives. Probably, unless add player. Where is this supposed to come from? Game. Yeah, there's a thing called game manager. So there should be a accessible script. I'm just gonna quickly try. Game manager. Why doesn't it not find it? That's so dumb. It's like literally there. No. It's literally right here. Can I not? Anyways, irrelevant. Or not quite, but almost. But 96% of this project is all C. Yeah, then it makes sense that the header is C. I don't know what project you're talking about though. Camera camera size, smooth speed. Okay, so you have a camera controller. Damageable. Try deal damage. Damage UI manager, okay, spawn damage. Damage gone. Poison damage? Jesus Christ. What has he been cooking? Yo! Okay, anyways, add player, yeah, this is the same as before, except this one doesn't keep track. It has a dictionary of and players. Oh yeah, it's the same as before. And then this on trigger. And then there's weapons, and then Shed Dispatcher. This is for Twitch stuff. Okay. little bit unsure about this, but sure. Utils read-only attribute. And then, does he use this Stickman? Oh, there's Stickman AI now. Yeah, so he has made it like this, okay. Yeah, this looks like the new updated version of the code. But where is this thing being called from? Show references. Can I see all references? Incoming calls. What? Show find usages here. What? It has to be called from somewhere, like this is like it is spawning these things, so yeah, but this time namespace gamer could not be found. Are you? Why is this not being able to be found? I'm not connecting though to the Twitch API, but still though, this is a bit weird. Do we have to go using game dot? Hey, why did you do that? Game dot? Why? It's none of those. Game. And don't do anything weird now, for fuck's sake. What the hell? How do I get that? I don't know how Unity, can you do that? In Unity, can you have a component as field? No. Yeah, field. Well, a component, can you have a component C# script as field value inside a component C# script? Is you can have a reference to another component field? Yes. So why the fuck? Right, it's not, I should actually maybe just disable it. I don't know, I still like to use the NeoVim shortcuts, but gonna get in the way. Yes, it is. Yeah, that one can be removed anyways. Oh my god. Oh wait, it's inside game, so I have to go game dot. Okay. so weird. I don't understand Unity at all.
I'm back, I'm black, I'm fat, what?
Oh, sure. There are a lot of things. Oh, it's
Yes.
crystal clear why Twitch cannot resolve game manager inside the game namespace. Okay. What? Using game, but using game doesn't work either. Let me just close all of these. By the way, Damien has been cooking like crazy. I don't know, like absolute mad lad.
You mean his AI slaves have been cooking?
No, like for real, like it's just absurd. I will show you in a bit. Why? Thank you. Same project, but separate folders. This is so weird. I cannot comprehend, like, what the fuck? It's just, let me just do a compile. Build this. That's fine. Please. Why doesn't it recognize game? Maybe I'll change it to game, stick game. Hello, Peppa. And now we have to change this one to stick. Like literally everything else exists, but except for this stupid namespace. What if I just remove the namespace? It's not needed anyways, right? Game manager doesn't even exist. Like, what am I supposed to do? It has to be. Let me just install this. This one gets a little bit more, hopefully, more better understanding of what the fuck. Why doesn't it recognize that? Like it should, right? If I just say game, it should understand that I want to use the game manager. Well, while that's taking forever. This should work. Oh wait, that should work. But it doesn't. How? This is so dumb. Because both of them are mono behavior, right? Yeah. And then this is just in a namespace where it gets the stupid ass shit, and then it should. I mean, another way I could just store the game object, but that's kind of like, you know, unnecessary. If I just can keep the script instead. Oh my god, can I just close? I don't think it's installing, I'm not sure, I don't know. Namespace of folder. A folder name to display. Your manager is in a namespace game. Your Twitch is in a namespace Twitch. You must either using, yeah, but the using game doesn't work. So the Unity ID likely cannot see the namespace, usually compile problem or namespace conflict, check for compiler errors. Well, I tried to do the... Let's see, could not be found. That zone could not be found. Where is it trying to get this thing? This one is like super stickman. Does it actually have all of the correct versions? I think it's a bit using the wrong, like still using all the information that it should not be using. I'm not sure. Let's see, projects, scripts, and let's see. It says that apparently in project script stickman. Why does it work now? What? I didn't change shit. I just alt tabbed a few times. Now for real, what? How is that possible? I alt tabbed and now it understands. Oh yeah, that thing. Like, that makes no sense. What the fuck? I'm never using Unity again after this. This is so bullshit. I literally did nothing else but alt tabbing between Brave and Unity a few 50 times and then it just works. That makes no sense. But look at this, what Damon has cooked up. Fucking crazy, man. I don't know, man, what to say. Now we can try to authenticate that people can join by sending messages. Let's see. He has a scene, an environment. Okay, I see what that is, and then a manager. And then he has this thing, and then so wait. Right, so now I need to enable both of these. Wait, add compo. Okay, no. It's like, what the fuck? How do I... He changed it. Let's see if I can get the chat in there. Must be connected to at least one channel, yes. But how do I... Oh, we didn't have the authenticate button, right. That's okay. I will just fix it. I will go to here and then I will go to... I need a... Wait. What do I actually need? I need the link that Damon sent back in the day.
Bye.
Where is it? Did he send it through private emails? I think he did. Here. Yeah, this is still the same for me. I want all of these, and then generate token, and then wait for tomorrow, and then authorize. And let's see. Prove your humanity at once. Yes. Crazy. I'm a human. Trust me, bro. Alright, let's see. Now it's not jamming at all.
It's not jamming. Oh, damn it.
And then I'm quickly gonna take this one over to here just to edit a file that I will not show in stream, because if I do, then it will be bad. So I'm not gonna do that. Why did this one come over here? Bruh, what's that? Let's see, access token. And then, well, I guess we're not using it, but. And then client ID. Not even be used either, but we can close it now, close that, close this, move this one back over to here. And now, if I go here, it should connect. I'm 10% sure about it. So now if you type in chat something, yay! I think it's, yo, look at that. Type something, Mr. Harold or something, someone in the Twitch.
Me? Okay.
Okay, they didn't just spawn in with the automatic attack controls, but they should type something in the... Yo, Harold! I think the name is a bit fucked though. There's this one that has the AI to attack for some reason, the other ones don't. Interesting. Let's see. He probably made it so only
Oh, it's one. There's multiple of me against you guys.
Yeah, I wonder why we got all such weird, like, multiple names. Let's check that first, actually. So, in here, when you send a message, it went through to add player. Oh. Initiate and player. Get component children. Text is equal to ID. But why did it this is why did it I don't think the name looked right. Weird. Anyways, we can go to here to this one, and let's see, that one is the Stickman. Stickman AI. Oh, it was assigned the player Stickman, so these were all things that I could control. But what we want to use is the actual prefab of the AI, not my controls. So we go to prefabs, and then here we have, this is AI, and then we have player. So what we can do is we can take managers, game manager, and here you can see that. So we put now the, hey, this one, boom. What? Is it not? Oh, that was the, bruh. I cannot read the full text. So funny. Boom. Okay, now, if you play, and you type in the chat, you should spawn in a character that can move. Yay! Yo, Harold, chill, it's only a game, chill. There's so many Harolds.
No.
I don't know, you still have like
Make
kind
a
of
PC
like...
crash.
Wait, you cannot type that fast, they kill each other faster than you can type. Absolutely hilarious. Wait, what are you? Lucas has children in... Hey, yo, don't expose me like that. Hell.
Yeah.
Are there chat boxes yet? Wait, don't type. Let just one be alive. I want to see why the Harold, what the fuck?
Alright, okay.
Kind of fucked up.
Wait.
Fucked up.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. So we have just this one now. I want to know why it's.
Can we change his skin color?
I was more concerned about the
No, man. We live in 2025. You gotta make it inclusive for everyone.
I was more. Yeah, it has name. Wait, let me see. I think I put it. Oh wait, it has 2 names. Why are there 2? Is this also in the prefab? Stickman, health bar. Oh wait, there are actually 2 names. Well, no wonder this is confusing. Let me just go to here. And which one is the one that I don't care about? It doesn't really matter. And then apply to prefab. Wait, what? What does this mean? Yeah, apply to all. I hope this means. So now if I go back, these ones also have 1, and if I press play, and Mr. Harold. Let's see now if you type, we shouldn't be getting. Yeah, now we only get 1. And if I bruh. I want to grab one of these guys. Okay, no. Okay, I just grabbed the name. Bruh. Okay, there, boom. And if this one just...
Oh wait, do they add it up in a queue when you edit them? Or like edit?
I want to see what... Oh, okay, so they just die if they fire up. And this is gonna be great having on the live stream actually, you know, for real, like, sure.
Yeah, for real.
I don't know, like,
But I think you should add chat bubbles.
yeah, I was thinking actually the same thing. I was like, chat bubbles, we need them, they're amazing.
Yes.
And then a Twitch API. YouTube API, we need it also on YouTube. Then we put the Twitch logo.
Now we need the Twitch API, I think.
Now we need the Twitch API. Shut your bitch ass up.
Yeah, man, we need that Twitch API. When it coming?
When it's there, brother. Okay, but then we can go in here.
No.
And we can go to the Twitch chatter. So here, we basically get add player. We can also pass in, change it to, well, both the Twitch and YouTube will use the same idea that you get the username and the chat message. That's the plan at least. Why
yes,
is there
you
like
should make an interface.
We ain't doing no OOP here. Instead, we will just take in this.
Bro, interfaces are not even OOP, man.
Now it is, alright.
Bruh, Sega's interfaces, but you gotta make them from scratch. So, I don't know.
Yeah, see, nah.
And that ain't OOP.
I'm just gonna say message, alright? And then here, what we'll do. This, right? So now there will only be added 1 of your player type. We don't have it if it dies though. Maybe it's a bit too much to... Nah. If you die, then you can't do anything more. That's how it goes. Okay. And then what I want to do is that I want to say... Why is that? Yeah, imagine using go to inside of Unity C#. That would be crazy. This is a bit strange actually what I'm trying to do now. I can also go okay, player. No, I'm just gonna say it's equal to player, whoa, equals to null. Can I not say that? Game object. And then I say, if this, then I just say player, then I replace, or apparently not, because I don't know, these short bindings are so bad. Player, and we can still use the same. And then if this fails, then that it means it contains player, else player is equal to that. And well, I guess. And then we say just, and then here when we send a message, so now we can inside of the player script. Why is there errors? The fuck? Ah, yeah, right. Stop typing, it doesn't work, it's not running, shut up.
I'm cooking.
You're cooking something, alright. We can now go to the stickman. We need a chat bubble, right? Should I
Yes.
create a separate I need a separate well, it's just a text, right? But actually no,
Yeah, you just put some text above the thing.
oh no, it needs to be a script, because if I say get component text, the first one will be the name, and then have another one that is chat bubble. That doesn't make any sense.
Bro, unit sucks.
You tell me. Alright, we'll let's just quickly, it's quite interesting because he made it so that you can apparently just tear apart like the thing. I think he's cooking something else up over here, you know. Where the fuck is this one? Yeah, we don't. Ah, the player can still stay there. Okay, we just need one of these. I'm just gonna drag in another one. So we have the AI here, right? Wait, is this one different from the other ones? Let me take a look. No. I have no idea. Doesn't matter, it works anyways. So we have the health bar, and for some reason this should actually be like called something else. But it's okay. I will just create another game object. Actually, that it should be attached to the head. The chat bubble, right? Because if your head flies off, then your head should be speaking, you know? That would be hilarious. I will create it here now. We can later remove it somewhere else. Why is the stream 1 FPS? What the fuck are you talking about? There's no way it's 1 FPS. Well, it is actually it is 24 FPS, but I have dropped apparently 42% of my frames. I don't know how delayed the stream is, so yeah, funny. Chat bubble, right? And I'm thinking probably there's two different ways we could go about this, which both would make it a lot better, but also a lot worse. We'll make it worse. I really don't care. UI text mesh. Alright. Like so. And we call this chat bubble. Or just chat. We don't need to make it complicated, right? But what we can store in here. So I can go into We have the Stickman script, but I think if there's Stickman AI and there's Stickman... damn it. I was thinking I could do something cheap here, but no. There should be like a kind of like overview UI thingy, I guess. But we can also run with this. Can we though? This might be a bit... Welcome back. I can have a kind of like a script on both of them that says... I don't really care. A player one shouldn't even be concerned about. Nah, player one doesn't even matter. Fuck the player controlled one. It will probably crash, but it's just for testing. It shouldn't even exist. So I can remove that one and just make this one. So we can have a... yeah. So we have this, right? Ink it. And then that we can basically just take this thing. A ranges combat. This is more... let's see. Public. Name. Text. Oh shit, what did it import now? Okay, it's correct. Okay. So name text, and then we'll have another one which will be called chat text. Like so. Yes, and what we can do then, inside of here, instead of getting this, we can go like this. We'll say Stickman AI, and then no, I was not thinking this through. No, I'm thinking perfectly. Don't worry about it. Here we just say dot chat text dot text equals ID. Fuck, this is name text. Like so. And then in the end, we say player no get components children, and we say stick AI dot. This is so efficient, right? Am I stupid? This should work. Chat. Why is this not okay? This one should know by now that it should be the same. Maybe I did some weird ass typo, I have no idea. Why is this one fine, the other one not? Text message. Perfect. Yeah, that should be fine. So now if I go here, we'll have the name and the chat, and then here there should be in the Stickman AI. Here, put name and the chat. And then I will have to override, apply all. And let's see if this works, right? So let's see. Fuck, they are on top of each other. Let me just quickly take the chat and move it. I don't know where to put it. I'm just gonna let's see. Where do I change the font here? Let's make it like bit larger. Whoa. Should probably put a limit on how much text you can put, but now it's just testing round. Alright, let's see. Oh, I forgot to apply. If you type something now, it will spawn with your text, I think. It didn't spawn at all. So, it went through here, got the message A. Wait, Lucas develops A, yes, it went into here. If... Okay, let me just... I know that means that, but still. False. And then it should do this. Oh, right, I cannot... Bruh. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, now it spawned them in. A bit hard to see their text chat bubble. But they do say the thing, so if you say something in the Twitch chat, if I just spam www, yeah, it says www, but it's like a bit fucked, but you know what I mean, it works. It's, we just need to make a beautiful chat bubble thing, or we don't, that works too. So we'll just apply that, and I think now it will be a bit better. Actually, we can actually go about this and just make it something that will stand out, so you can at least... I could take the color of whoever is sending the message also and just make it the same color as that. Why the fuck is it so green? I think yellow will stand out. Yeah, yellow will stand out. Let's see. Apply. And now if you run... Very easy to read that text, right? Sure. I said sure. But yeah, now you can't spawn in multiple ones. I think no. Harold, spawn yourself. Where are you? I'm alone in the. Oh, it updates the message that you type.
What, you implemented that so fast?
Yeah. Say something new. Yeah. Well, it doesn't append. Hey. Hey. Hello world. Lucas is a hey yo, what the fuck is this? Hey yo. Okay, wait, we need to... I'm gonna start recording also so I get a clip of this. So let's go. Okay. So we can now we can spawn in.
Yeah, that's gonna be in the video now.
No, now it's gonna be in the video. What to say?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're going to do a video, yes?
Say
This
something.
is
In the
what
chat.
I've been cooking up lately.
Write something in the chat. I restarted. Yeah.
I think,
Hello. Okay, so now Harold is fighting me. He said hello and I said spawn with a capital P. Word, big word. Lucas is a P. P? P-E? Hey, yo! What is wrong with you, Harold?
No, it stands for personal entertainment device
Optimal.
of doom.
You know what, Harold? there's no candy for you this weekend.
No candy, but I was gonna get in your van, bro.
Kind of fucked up. Imagine one day somebody comes along and was like, don't understand it's a joke, and be like, what's happening?
Joke? No, it's not a joke. It's real.
Let's see that Damon cooks.
Baby.
Alright. Alright, and save that. I wonder, can I also just go about and do this? I can. Interesting. Alright. Oh, you're still there. Damn. Now we just need to make so that if you die, yeah, the object type only has.
Why are you gone on your Twitch stream? You're not visible. I ain't seeing your person.
Oh, right, my bad. Oops. There. Now we need to make sure that if when you get destroyed, when this thing dies, we want to. Is it health that manages this? I'm not sure. What? Yeah, destroy here. This thing somehow needs to signal to the game manager that hey, this thing is no longer. It is no longer. Or can I just also this if can it know that it is destroyed? Because apparently it can at least print that as a debug, so I'm assuming it somehow keeps tracks of it. ID dot is because I don't want every help bar to have access to the game object. That's a game manager. That sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? I think it sounds a bit weird. Let's see. How could you could where am I? Here. So we have for each we have the pool of objects, right? Here are all of the players. And then one of them dies. They are like kind of like they have the health bar right now that is just telling that hey, I'm dead. And then this thing has no idea about that. I mean, you could use a observer maybe, but it still sounds a bit odd because it still needs to know. And that every helper shouldn't be actually maybe even responsible for the destruction of the entity. But what else should be? That's kind of like it should maybe just send a signal to some other. Well, then again, it's just the same problem with the different perspective. The AI is probably gonna say the same thing, that it's just observer pattern probably. Measure list. Oops. And that we don't need anymore. Remove a player. Right now you just destroy, yes, here. Not notified, yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. And then, assuming the enemy has unique ID that matches the key, yes. Add remove player method to game. Yes, sure the enemies have reference to game manager. Wait, but yeah, then you have, wait, yeah, now you're putting this inside of enemies. But yeah, that's kind of done, I think. Yeah, they spoke about enemies, but I have help or game object. Wow. Manager. Yeah, on death, something like that. I was thinking also, but I don't know. Let's see. Or does it have any alternative methods to do that? Because it's like. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Oh, but how does this one even become aware? Oh wait, that event. Delegate. How does that work? What is that? Like, this is so weird. How does it know that that is directly does Unity have an internal kind of like event manager system that it just knows when I have defined, like what? Ah, this is crazy, bruh. Let's see, it probably explains it. Let's see, decouples, multiple use the script log global. Wait. Stickman. Okay, this makes more sense, I would say. Yeah, this makes sense, but it's like, wait, you have Unity events, example, class, Unity event, my event, and then here you have this, new Unity event, add listener on trigger. Okay, wait, this is a bit different, maybe I'm stupid. No, then you invoke it, but how does, say, another class get access to it? Now it has a different one, amazing. So it has this. Because if the event is static, all instances of health components are essentially broadcast to the same list of to loop through all the entities manually. Each health component calls on that. Declare static event. String action string death. What is this? I never told it. Did I tell it was a health bar? No, I did not. Okay. Let's see. I guess on death equal. But how does this one unenable, undisable? Okay. Oh wait, this has access. Oh, but they are still coupled in that sense. Yeah, this one doesn't know shit about the game, but this one knows about that one. That's a bit yikes. I guess, I don't know, I haven't tried this. Let's see. But okay. Let's see. So we can go here. I don't know, I will put it not here. Can't take damage. Why is there okay. I'm not gonna ask a question that. And then we just need this in the, I feel like I have them in the wrong places, game manager here. And then this one needs to know about the health component. Come on. It's not called health component, it's called health. Brother, these key bindings are wrong, I'm telling you. Health, that. And does it make sense to have this here? No, it doesn't. The unenable makes sense, but this I don't want to be here. I prefer it to be here. Like so. The unenable can still be. Maybe I will put it down here. Yes. Okay. And then health, so in here it will just go on that dot to evoke. And then it has to pass in the thing. Oh, so that's why you pass. Ah. And now we already know from this thing. It doesn't. Can I like just get. Why is it trying to do it rather? Needs to know the. I don't keep track of the ID inside of the thing. Is it? Should I keep a duplicate copy of it, or can I just ask for it? Is it possible? Ask the parent object. That sounds again like so dumb, but I don't know, like, is there a better... Or should this one instead be assigned? So try to take damage, and then this one just... It doesn't do any of this. Then in itself, in the AI here... Well... No... Doesn't make sense either. Let's see, maybe the AI can give me something I never thought of. Or some ways I could get the ID from the parent object, because the help does not have the ID. Not have the parent. Or should I pass it in? Like. I mean, that could make sense. Why not? But I'm not. Well, yeah. That could make sense. Use script on the parent. Then your health script get. Yes, that could work. Traverse high transform. It actually understood that this is what I want to do. I mean, you could also just. You could pass it in, I guess, or like when you create, you just say that, hey, now your ID thingy will be equal to my ID, and then they're associated. It's kind of like, I don't know, keeping double track storage for the memory feels a bit weird, because then you just have the potential that, oh, remember, you would never change the ID of an entity and the health bar that is associated with it. So it's not too... Well, in the end, it doesn't... I'm not trying to make a triple A game here, what the fuck. I can literally just go for this. I'm just gonna say... transform dot parent dot game of get component. Basically this thing, right? Parent get. Oh, I don't need to say game get components. Yes, exactly that. It's in children, and I want to get the AI. No. Stickman AI dot, and then here I should have this. This one should have. Oh yeah, the name is basically the. It is the same. But maybe I should keep track of the ID in this case, because this one makes sense that it should be a... And keeping it in there might be a stupid idea. Ah, it's the same. It has to, it's always gonna be the same. Yeah, yeah. So we'll take this. Cut that. Paste it in there. And let's cut this. And then let's see the game manager. So what it will do is it will remove it from there, then it will also destroy but this no, this might have to be done in a, yeah, probably has to. Hello Bruno Dick, how are you? Oh, you're asking how I am. I'm good. BRB, alright, see you Harold in a bit. If it contains, then we'll remove it, and then we'll also say players, and then the ID. And yeah, it should, before we, so we'll do this, and then it should say that, and I think it won't work because we should still probably do that, but I don't know, so I think I will just run it and see what happens. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work. Worst case scenario, oh shit, never mind, forget about it. I was saying nothing. So let's see, when somebody dies, do they die or do they not die? Yeah, objects set to non-inst, yeah, wait, it kinda did, but kinda did not. I assume it's because I need to do this same thing, main introduction. Yeah, we're gonna destroy them. But brother, why doesn't shit work? Why? Oh no, my intelligence. No, it's broken. Oh my god, and now I have to do them individually because it doesn't work. Okay. I'm making a Twitch API, so if you write something in the chat right now, you should get spawned into this thing. Shield is still good. Object was not set to an instance, but kind of funny that it still destroyed it. It destroyed it, but it's still here. Quite interesting. Yay, see, there you are. And it also updates your chat bubble if you say something, so that's But yeah, it's you. But yeah, kind of interesting. Wait, did I destroy it in the health bar? No, I did not. So if I go back to the game manager and I just don't destroy it, I just remove it, then it shouldn't give me those null references, right? No, they should never get destroyed even. But kind of funny that if they destroy, why are they still alive? Like, I would assume the thing would just stop existing. No, it does say... Wait, but is something else destroying it also in another place? Like, what the fuck? Where do we call destroy here? Destroy. Destroy after spawn, wait. Oh yeah, no, that's not what I'm. These are not my stuff. I want to know about my files. Can I just know about mine's? Like somehow filter. Oh, this is crazy, bro. What the fuck? I just want to see my files. Come on. There's like every other file here but mine. Transparent damage number test. Yeah, these are old ones. I don't even know why these files still exist, to be honest. Twitch chatter here. Undestroy, but this is not the thing I'm trying to find. I don't even find. Wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah, because I removed the destroy here. But how does it say that it doesn't exist? Like, what the that doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense. Let me just, I'm gonna try something else. I will comment this one out. Wow, crazy. Oh, there's a double comment. I don't care. I really don't care. So now, I will never call destroy. But they should still exist there, like, when they, even when they're dead. No, object reference not set to an instance, but oh wait, I can actually check it. Let's see. But this one it never removed itself. It never called destroy on itself, so I don't understand how is it possible that it's not a reference. It still is there. Like, what the fuck? I think it's not compiling properly. I don't know, man. This is weird. This doesn't make any sense because I never destroy it. Like, even if I did this, right? Now I did, like, even if that doesn't make any sense. Now it's compiled, right? Where are you from? I'm from Finland. Okay, actually, wait, that's so weird. How is it possible that... Yeah, now I'm not calling, now there's no issues. But how is it possible? Did I save it last time? Because this is not doing anything, it's not removing it, so... Don't understand how calling this thing would be an... Wait a minute. Oh, that's not the null reference. Oh, shit. I'm stupid. Now, let's see, now there should be no null reference things. Oh, that's cool, I'm from Finland, Israel, bro. Sorry, I was still, yeah, you're from Israel, cool. Yeah, it's quite cool here in Finland, it's cold. So, yeah, let's see, now that should, still null reference. How? Let's see, because it's inside of health bar. And we can see that it has the... Oh wait, the health bar... Oh. It is in the same object. Maybe I'm just stupid. Okay, let's see. Now we shouldn't have a null reference though. I think. Hopefully not. Yeah. And now if we go back to the game manager, and I'm not sure, I'm gonna try one more time to, you know, sometimes I don't like that there's two. Let's see, we'll do this, but I will also try to not do that. I will just go like this normally, right? And let's see what it kicks in to be. so it got destroyed. No null references. That. Oh yeah, but these ones don't exist. Wait, they should exist in the list. So that was a bit interesting that it didn't. Maybe I do need this. Not sure though, because it's. What was the reason? Right, because wait, this is not running. Yes, these calls. No wait, this call is made from a API, which is not. It's running asynchronously. That's why we need it here. But I don't think we need it here. That doesn't make sense. Why would it be there? Because this one is running through the program inbuilt system. I gotta go eat. Bye. Alright, see ya. Take care. Yeah, that name character. Ah, brother. No, that one is not in there. Yes, it makes perfect sense. Oh no, I'm stupid. Are there any? No, good. I should not do this. That's the thing. And yeah, I don't need to do this because this one is running through the main thread. It's fine. And we don't need that. And wait, what the? Why did I never get the message that it? Right, because I never asked for it. Anyways, now if you run this and I type in the chat, wow, and hopefully I lose. If I don't lose, somebody else please type in the chat. Okay, I'm not gonna lose this. I'm gonna win this. Shit. Is somebody else in the Twitch chat? Is there anyone? Anybody? Maurice? I'm just alone here. Okay, I see how it is. Don't worry about me. I still don't get my controls right. Should probably put some regen on that health bar. That could also be pretty cool, but that's an extra thing. Can we see what? Let's see. Harold, come back. Don't go away. I need you. Let's see, I'm gonna... What the fuck is that? Poem. Oh yeah, we have forgotten to live streams. Is there anyone on Twitch, bruh? There isn't. There's one on YouTube. What are you doing on YouTube? Go on Twitch. I need testing. I swear it's just Harold, maybe. I don't know. That's not very readable ass. Oh yes, Harold, please. Go on Twitch and
Yes.
write that message. Please.
Oh, okay.
Fantastic. Alright, so now I died, so now if I type again I should get spawned in. Hell yeah! Look at that, now you can also type if you get back in.
Happy. But like still, you gotta change the skin color, man.
We can put some random skins there, yeah, sure.
Yeah, man, everyone should be included, right?
Yeah.
You know, like hashtag include standard IO.
Seek.
Yes, at import.
But yeah, it works. Pretty crazy. So now, how do I get it exported as an application that I can put as an overlay on my stream?
Well, there's like, you should do file. Wait, stream in Discord so I can actually see more live, you know.
I'm not streaming on Discord. Have I been in here all this time and never... Brother, what the kind of fucked up.
Yeah.
No, wait, I also need to make the transparent background stuff. So we can use it for the...
Can you even do that in Unity?
How the fuck do I know? Probably there's an easy thing to do it, but there's two things.
The music is so banger. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, true. We have accomplished auto fighting, or more like Damon has accomplished that actually. We have added a Twitch API. We can deal damage. Now we just need to add YouTube API, and when people join spawn character, that's done. It's basically just this. And we also need make it an overlay, and then ideally also like simple authenticate yourself. That would also be really nice, because then I don't have to generate a token manually and then compile the whole project every time I want to use this thing. That would be really nice, you know. Shall we just make it a... I don't know yet about the textures though, like that we use here. Like, are we allowed to use these textures and the sound effects? I haven't asked Damon like where did you get them from yet, so that's a bit weird.
It's probably just a picture of him.
For real. We'll just put it... Fuck, I cannot put it to use because I need a separate token for the testing and then for the live one, because if I combine them then there will be like, I don't know what will happen when I run it in the... Can both of them run the same? Maybe they can. We can try it. Alright. Let's first just export the app like this, maybe. Because we don't really care about the transparency to get the first thing just that can be run separate from here. You know, that's all I want to know. Build profiles. Linux is the one that's active. Let's see. Hello, heard it is time to test. Yeah, we just tested. Project... Lizard. I got a heart attack. Lizard. Let's see, I'm gonna export this thing and just see if it will also work outside. Let's see, I'm gonna create a build folder. Builds. Create. And then here why can I not save it? I have to select. Why? Why doesn't this build? Brad! How do I build it? I wanted to say it. Oh, I need to give it a name. That's why. Okay, I was like, what the fuck? StreamFighter 0. Save it. It was a success. It worked so well that let's see how well it works. It's not gonna be an overlay yet. Now it's just gonna be a pure game, but then we're gonna try to make it transparent after that. I just wanna see, can it even run if I export it? And if it can run, then I will try to... probably the transparent thing isn't that hard. Can you change the focus to not follow the mouse when you hover another window? If you want. Yeah, I have it like so, but when it runs through Vine, it doesn't work. So if I start... like you can see, I have to click here, but it doesn't do it. But through Wine, it does it. Yeah. It's not fun. Checking for removed APIs. What the fuck? Platform build uses the what? Reload. What's happening, brother? This doesn't look good. Is it good? I have no idea. Did it work or did it not work? Too many things. Let's see, projects. Where's my projects? There. YouTube. What? Right, it's in Unity, not here. It didn't compile. It broke successfully. Yes. Do I need to add some build profile? Yes. Ah, okay. This is Lucas' company. Sure. Product name. And version 0.01. Alright, how do I... Wait, what? Okay. Okay, let's try again. Maybe it will work, maybe it will break. Find up in the next episode of what the fuck am I doing? Come on, please don't compile. Be a nice. I don't know if it's running through Vine or not, but usually Vine. This shouldn't be running through Vine, right? If it is, then it makes sense that it's weird when I hover over windows and shit. You know what I'm saying? But TCS.
Which is surprising because Wine usually works pretty well with that kind of stuff.
Not in this case. This case is using its own Hyperland config or something. I don't know, man. No, it broke. Or I think it broke. I have no idea. Let's see. Immersed Unity there, projects, StreamerFighter, builds. Yeah, it broke. Okay, well that's okay. We only got 26 errors, which is probably way more once you start fixing them. TCS. I don't think we're using the TCS though. Oh wait, am I wait, no. Transparent. Wait, am I mixing things up? Wait. I think that was a old tool that they even include, but we never used it anyways. TCS here. Is it TCS being used anywhere? Fuck, the daemon is not here. I don't think this is being used. Cloud could not be found or missing use directive X. Error compiling player. So are we using this? From where would it be used? Rendering universal. But I don't know. Yeah, implement for orders as needed. Yeah. And are they all? Or is it just this? No, yeah. This file also has this. But it's just these two files that seems to be the issue. Could I easily fix that myself? Maybe transparent window. There's just transparent window 2 that seems to be complaining, but there's gonna be... Wait, hold on. There's no way that... Oh, wait. Okay, it registers these things, but then it fails on it. Let's see, why does it do it? Because it's... Does it say... It does say... Line 90 and 47, let's see. So 47 here. Yeah, I'm not using X though. I'm using Wayland. So why is this trying to use X? Oh wait, am I? No. Well, I do have also X, but it seems like it's only gonna do it for... There's no for Wayland. Am I stupid? Oh shit, it seems like that's the case. I mean, I guess I could get it. Bit of a yikers. Yeah. So it's going through here and it sees all of these libx, and I don't think I have. Let's see. We can go here. Kind of problematic. I'm just gonna take this. And also to begin with, I'm not even sure we are using this TCS. Oh yeah, this is for the machine learning. Right. Yeah, we're not using machine learning. Or I don't know, maybe Damon has done something on it. So, we'll see. Also worth checking platform. And I just say what this is. can also. I mean, lunch nugget packages installed. Oh wait, it's not a nugget package. I will just, for the sake of compiling this thing, I will just. Let's see. Do I have a? Okay. We'll just do this. Unity, and then I'll go projects, stream, and then actually no, I'll go one step back, Unity packages here, and temporarily, I think this is fine. I will just move it here, and same for that one, and see how this goes. I think this one should still compile and run and whatnot. Maybe not, let's see. Ah wait, clear. Oh wait, that one needs it? Oh man, maybe I was mistaken. Oh, what the fuck, it's back there now? Okay, let me just... So that Twitch thing needs it. Ah man. It's quite funny that it can still run, but when I try to actually export it, it breaks. Can I export? Is it because it's still using Wine under the hood here? What if I did it for web? Let's see. We can probably do this. Build support. Yeah. That's gonna take like tomorrow for it to get done probably. I mean, then we could probably run it through Wine instead. That's probably what my Unity is doing. True. It says not running through Wine on Linux. Normally, Unity provides a native Linux build for it. Okay. And only is used for and if you try to run Windows version. That's because Unity runs native on Linux, not because it's Wine. Okay, well what the fuck? Why can I not then compile this stupid thing? Specific. it really insists that I do add the using this thing to it and then wrap specific. But that's that sounds a bit too. Why would I go like that? You should not use ChatGPT. It sucks ass. Yeah. Well, I'm kind of stuck on like I don't even know where to begin with this thing, so maybe I could just also Google normally. You don't even need this anymore. Yeah, I just added back these things. Oh, it's using the generic, and that's why it's failing. Let's see, it should still run normally. Yeah. And then if I type something, I should get spawned in, yes. But why when I try to build, it's, oh, yeah. Build profiles, Linux, build, save. Let's get those errors again. Compiling. This is the thing that just breaks. It's kind of weird. But yeah, if I change it to interrupt instead of generic, I don't know, maybe it could work. I don't remember what the word actually was, but yeah. Hello, Bruno Mello. Yes, there it goes again. Let's see. Let's see. I'm actually just gonna take the whole thing. Probably somebody has like this. Oh no, bruh. Let's see if it even finds. Maybe it does. It sounds so specific, but let's see. You can also try just taking this. Wow, my internet died at the same time. How about that? Here. Could not be found. Oh, deleting I didn't delete library folder. Not really. Let's see. Linux. Correct. Master. Okay, I'm just gonna take then this thing. TCS overlay. What the fuck? That's not the thing I copied. This is overlay. Linux Unity. Wow. Error. Wow, it's like so fast. So fast. single TCS. Oh my god. I mean, I guess I could just take this and then put it in the appropriate, which would be from, in my case, would be this thing. Hello. Don't know how. This sounds like such a edgy fix for a little problem. Open display. Why is it not, oh yeah, my bad. Right, it doesn't work. Actually, I have to do it like this. No, I'm not gonna do it like this. Fuck this shit. Okay, then I will just leave it like that. Fuck it, I don't care. Let's try this. It still will read it the same way, but it just looks ugly, but I don't care enough for it. My keybind ain't working, so wait, cancel. Oh, it's crashed again. Why? I can just not do the thing. Maybe I should just try to do something else in the meantime. While we'll wait for Dame, or what? Crazy speed on this application, am I right?
Yep.
Yeah. Wait, what? No, I was already thinking like, no, it went through. Wait, register click off screen. Actually went through. What the fuck? Because this is a different problem. But this one has the appropriate import. Now it's just field cannot assign to accept init or the setter of type field. X does not exist in the current context. So that actually seemed to have worked, but it's still like a bit. I wouldn't like to do it like this. And hey, no, it removed those things. I needed them. No. But I still feel like over a global, like, you should be able to, what's it called? Just instead of changing that behavior inside of the code, change the actual, like, it says that it's missing. Why can't I just install it? Well, I'll probably have it installed. It just doesn't find it. Kinda weird. Kinda freaking weird. Do you have to build the game every time you run it? No, I'm just trying to see if I can build it. That's what I want to see. I'm trying to get it built. I don't have to build it every time I run it. I just have to compile it. Compiling works, but I cannot. For some reason, the building doesn't work, and that's stupid. Somebody must have something on this. Oh my god. Unity. Yeah, that's actually one I want to see TCS. I don't know. There has to be somebody who has. LTS. No. Nothing. Am I the only person on this whole planet that has something to do with this that's not working? No freaking way.
Yep.
This is bullshit. I'm about to shit my pants.
It happens.
Why? Stupid thing. But okay. But it's basically the same issue. But not really. Why is my copy paste so slow? Like, what the fuck? Let's do one at a time. Let's see what it says. But is it... I don't understand. Why would it be problematic now when I try to use the thing? But when I just compile it, then it's fine. Bruh. Oh, it's gonna give me all of the other ones. Woo. This is such a dumbass process to go about it. But it doesn't make any sense, like... Okay, wait, let me check. Like... If not editor, then it tries to do this. Why... Yeah, why just I don't do these things? Like, why do I even need these things? If Unity or editor handle off screen click. Like, can I not just... If not, then unhook window. Don't really care about these things. Okay, 16. Woo. So now it's just here and it's not Unity. So it goes in here now. Try to open X display. Should I just give it all of them? Like, because it's gonna be complaining on all of these all the time. Well, these two should be fixed in the same, like... And then there's this thing. Many of these should be fixed at the same place, like... Let's see... Does not exist in the current content, that means that the code trying to use... Plugins, this is critical. Do something like if one of those if blocks is missing or your branch defines it, the compile complains the variable doesn't exist. Make sure it's declared. I'm not gonna start implementing Linux support for all of these things, like, well, not me, I'm just asking ChatGPT, but still, like, I was hoping this would just be like one of these ifs for a thing, but it doesn't seem like it is. Brother, what the fuck? I mean, I could just compile it to web. That could also work. Would just be a bit, you know. Right, my search doesn't work for this piece of shit, bruh. I have to do it like this and then in file. What the fuck? Can I go here? Where is this? Transparent window 2, but that should exist. Windows. That one exists either way, so. Like, what? That shouldn't be an issue. Oh my god, I actually have to start reading their code. No. No. I'm just gonna run it through the editor from now on. I'm not even gonna try to do it, to compile the program. I'm just gonna run it through the editor every time. Like, fuck that, bro. What the fuck? If this thing runs, so like I just put this in full screen and it's fine, you know, like I'm not even gonna care. Background. Can I do that? Another thing is, I could also, let's see. What the fuck? I'm not a robot. Jesus Christ, it thinks I'm a robot.
No, you are.
Well, don't expose me like that. No. Stop
Yeah, I
it.
mean, I mean, guys, this guy is actual bot. Yeah, I mean, he looks away when he does the captures, you know. Just when he like puts it off screen, you know.
No,
Some off
you have
camera,
no
catchy.
proof. Shush.
I never shush.
With perform image. This feature is accessible through the chroma key filter. It's part of the standard use software. Okay, but how do I get it? You press the plus icon in the source panel video capture device, then click the camera, select filters, chroma keys. Okay, let's see. I will try on the actual footage that I have right now. What the fuck? Filters. Add. Chroma key. Sure, green. That should chroma out that thing, but it doesn't seem to doing shit. Custom color. Oh, select color. Nah, that should be it. I don't know if it does anything. Chroma key at the filter. Automatically detect the green key color. I I don't know, it doesn't seem to do smoothness. There is some green on my screen, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything with that color, like, what the fuck? I don't think it's working. I'll just try to filters. Let's see. Isn't that basically the same color? A bit more like that. But it still is visible. I don't get it. Like, shouldn't it be getting something? Like, do I do that? No. Why is there not a color picker? What if I just go the grayish color? Eventually I should be getting like... I think this chroma key is working, dog. Like, that's another way to go about it. I just need something that I could try it real quick. I don't need to compile even or build the thing. I can just do this, please. Chroma key.
Here's how to use a green screen in OBS. Add in your video source. Then go ahead and set up your green screen so it takes up the backdrop of your video feed. Then right-click and select Filters, and then we want to select the Chroma Key filter. Then adjust the similarity and smoothness sliders to fine-tune the effect. And if you forget, here's how to use a green screen in OBS. Add in your video.
How is it possible that it's still not just then working? Like, if I just put it to green, like, it's still there. Like, what the fuck? It should like at least take those green colors. Oh wait, of the. But they are still there, or no, they are still there. Like, what the fuck? Why? I don't think my chroma key is working. What's a luma key? Crazy. Okay, let's go for this. We'll just make it. I don't know what we'll do, but we'll go for something like this. I think that makes sense. Okay, the luma key seems to be working at least. Why doesn't my chroma key work then? Everything is just fucking me in the ass right now.
Hi, welcome to Jeremy's Tech Channel. Today we're going to answer the question, why does Jeremy have a janky green screen behind him?
Wow.
There's applying LUTs. There are chroma keys, color corrections, color keys, crop pad, dedicated NDI output I've installed for you to use. So if you click on the chroma key, like I have here, there are some selections. Pick the backdrop there. So if I do this, go here, then you see how it turned, okay, not hard, green. And then you've got your piece here. Now, when I unhide the selection, you see how it turned gray. All I'm doing is hiding and unhiding here. You can see the gray.
Wait, have I just not been... Is it by default disabled? I just didn't see that. No fucking way, I did not see that, brother. There's no way. Okay, no, it is enabled. I was already thinking like, what the fuck, no way. Yeah. It just doesn't work for me for some funny reason, like I can't explain why. Why? I just wanna know why. This is... If I could get this working, I wouldn't even need to export. I could just run it in the editor and just... Bruh. Whatever I pick, it doesn't work. Like, what the fuck? Okay, I will try something else, I guess. What else could I try to do? I could... I don't know, man. This is the... There is a fix for it, and I will just try to get the YouTube API going in the meantime. I don't know. I'm just... It sucks, YouTube. I think it was this one. Google have a client library working with YouTube 3. Let's see. It's available. Oh. Okay, I guess I can start reading into this thing actually. Can I get the developer Google YouTube. There. Let me, this one I think I will take over here, because otherwise...
Welcome back to the Google Developer.
Bruh, that was not what I was searching for. Did freeze, no? Okay. Here, let's see. Play YouTube at YouTube data, let users search for your YouTube content. Okay, this means whatever. Okay, let's see, can I... Is there a... YouTube, let's see. Do they have any here? Yeah, I mean, product documentation, guides, let's see, YouTube players, to data resources here. This is what, live stream API, let's go there, let's check that out. Well, I guess this one I can share with you guys, it's nothing. I'm just reading it. So let's read. Using able broadcast associated with the live stream API list of components of broadcast stream cue points. Before you start, you need a Google account access. Register your application with Google so that it can submit API. After registering your application, select YouTube Data API as one of the services your application uses. Go to the API console, select the project you register, visit the enable APIs. Immerse yourself with the core concept of JavaScript object notation, JSON data format. Here we have all of them. So we have like, let's see, contains information about video stream that you stream. Live broadcast, cue point, video. Assets represents pieces of intellectual property such as no. I'm trying to find. It has to be for message, chat. Bruh. No. Wrong key. message chat. Here, let's see. Streaming live chat. Learn how to create gRPC client. Uses live chat to push live chat messages over the line. Before you install tools, the protocol requires a protocol buffer definition. There is request response from. Learn about language others. Used method study stream demo. Yes, here. Wait, is author is that chat message? Isn't this, or is this just me, or is this whoever sent the message? Because then I should be able to get the name. I have no idea. I'll just send this to Dave and you probably will look into it. I guess I will just do a push right now. That's the best I can do. It still runs like quite, like it runs like if you write in a Twitch chat, it do run, and yeah. But yeah, you also need to have this application run when you're not even in focus.
Yeah, no, it really ain't banging.
It really ain't banging. There's so many questions I would like to ask Damon, but he's not here. Git checkout -b. Added chat bubbles and added what else? That they spawn in, yeah. I'm just gonna say chat. I think that's the more important thing to consider. -m added chat bubbles. Well, it's like bubbles anyways, but and people join and rejoin. Git push. Right. Go into here. Let's see if I... Well, something I wanted to do. I forgot. My brain actually forgot what it was. Oh, yeah, it's nothing. I was actually hoping to get it to run as an overlay today, but did not happen. Tomorrow we'll get it as running as an overlay, and we'll also add the YouTube API, right? And then I will also ask Damon about the copyright for the textures and the sounds I might have to maybe replace them. I don't know. But yeah. Is there anything else? I think we are closing in pretty much on getting this one done. Alright, I think I will end the stream. I'm gonna go sleep. And yeah, I think it's alright.
Yeah, so let's play a last beautiful sound.
What's you gonna? Alright, bye bye.
Bye.